In 7.5, we're going to work with the Poisson distribution, Poisson. And in this example, it says the auto parts department sends out a mean of 3.4 special orders per day. What is the probability that for any day, the number of special orders sent out will be exactly 4? Round your answer to 4 places. So we're going to use a couple of different things that are new in this problem, these type of problems. For instance, instead of just using the old symbol like this for mean, now we're using this little symbol, and that is the Greek letter lambda. This is what we're using for mean now. So it's telling us in this problem our mean is 3.4, so lambda is 3.4. And the probability they're asking us to find is exactly a number. So what is the probability when x equals 4? This is the easiest type of problem to do. And we have a formula for the Poisson distribution or probability. So, so it's what is the probability that x equals some value? How we calculate that is we use this little e, which is a function on the calculator, raised to the power of negative lambda times lambda raised to the power of x divided by x factorial. It looks like a mess, doesn't it? Okay, so for this problem, this is how we would fill in for the formula. The probability that x equals 4 equals e to the negative lambda times lambda to the power of x divided by x factorial. X is 4 this time, so we know that that means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that just multiplies together to give you 24. So this is what I got, and on a scientific calculator, this is how I figured out to do this. So if you notice right here is e to the power of x, and that would be, you would do second ln to use that function. Okay, so in this case, I wanted to do e to the power of negative 3.4, this right here. So I'm going to put in my 3.4. I'm going to use this little swapping symbol to make it negative. And then I'm going to press the second ln, and that is giving me the value of e to the negative 3.4. And I can multiply this by 3.4 on this calculator. To get it to the power of 4, I'm going to use y to the x, and then I'm going to press the 4 equals. Then we can divide that by 24. Let's see if I did it right. 185, yep, there it is. At eeweb.com, there's a scientific calculator you can use online, and there they've got a button that you just push it, and then it tells you, it opens parentheses, and you just put your exponent in there, and then it'll calculate this value right here, e to the negative 3.4. This number rounded to 4 places. That's our final answer here.